I need you to see, this is P.O.C. That engineered light is for the monitoring purposes of demons, okay? And this is, you see how they're touching on your body? This is going to be a prosecution of the entity for a sex offense. And this is for group stalking purposes. You don't have to know any of the demons' names. It's the identification of demons, including minor children. This is the light source through the windshield of a third party, readily identifiable, engineered light. Identification of a system, irrespective of specific identity. It's all manner of demonic, absolutely impossible light activity. This is recognizing pacing. Whole bunch of demons, all races, all languages. You don't have a constitutional protection. You will be prosecuted for federal group stalking monitoring and federal stalking. Okay, this is P.O.C. It's currently, by the way, 1:26 p.m. The entity is documented keeping a fake sun over Alvarado Gardens, which is why that whole property is going to federal prison while they were practicing federal group stalking monitoring, conspiring with the state, with the demons who were stalking in helicopter in Los Angeles, keeping a fake sign over the leasing office over my apartment, which was keeping it over the same property. And while I'm in downtown San Bernardino right now, the two are not coexisting. Also, this is absolutely impossible that sunlight is coming down. There would be no sunlight under here, recognizing impossible light. And then you have light that's along the walls. These are all demons. They're all stalking me. And this is the ability to prosecute the whole population. And it's also all over there. Those are demons who are pacing. All of them are pacing. So what do you see when you see the state crossing path in a helicopter, when you see the state crossing path in an ambulance, in a fire truck, in a police vehicle? Everybody around you is going to federal prison. That's how that's going to work, because that's what they're doing. All right, and it's a bully system. And so you're understanding, you're balancing out and rectifying what the state has been doing against 2 American citizens, and it is entirely demonic. The entity is stalking by plane, crossing paths with, you can see the cloud path, they're crossing path right now, flying upward. This is San Bernardino. San Bernardino police are already documented terrorists engaging in the P.O.C. and they are engaged in group stalking, including by helicopter, while a fake sun is over my head. This is what I documented October 2019, which I used to compare with what LAPD is doing. That's called impunity. So let's get the license plate. That's called impunity. Already on the video. 8YCZ 506 is monitoring while a demon opens and closes their trunk, which is to monitor you using the vehicle as audible activity. 9JDL 942. This is a sex offender and this is a demon, and he's monitoring with minor children. That's a basis for federal prison. The mother in here is pacing around with minor children. That's a basis for federal prison. They're walking all around and acting with regard to federal stalking, which is an independent basis for federal prison. P.O.C. P.O.C. Okay. This is the law. These are the sex offenders. These are the demons who watch on the dark web while you're nude in your private space, capable of watching you strip nude, watching everything you're doing in your private space, while demons are obsessed with your genitalia, obsessed, stalking women, okay? Obsessed with what's going on in your private space. That's what the demon possessed are consumed with. And then they're out in public group stalking you. And then acting with impunity, because the demons are engaged in Title 18. Don't have to look at you to know what you're doing on your cell phone, which is how they stalk with audible activity and light activity. It's currently 1:28 p.m. This is downtown San Bernardino. This is P.O.C. Surveillance cameras are also in the venue.